Ladies and gentlemen, I have arrived in squirrel territory. Three, two, one, go. This intersection doesn't have any median buttons. Also, the last time I came by here, they actually added new turn signals here. Click. Alright. Here's this one. I think this one was knocked over. That's why they have a new McCain traffic pole. Actually, no, these are not. These are actually newer. And a new traffic light, which is McCain, obviously. Yep. Waiting. Here's your intersection here. The walk sign went off for that one, not this one. That's annoying. Oh, he went that way too. Hey, I'll wait. Oh. Waiting on a walk sign here. 3, 2, 1. Still waiting. Oh, there we go. No walk sign sequence, even though they have digiters for it. Guess. I've been on this side already. This one has some harming lights, I think. This is a pretty old. Waiting. Okay, I got a green arrow. These are LEDs, I think. Once these go off, I think this one is okay to clear. Oh, walk sign. Hey. On my way! Alright, that's it for this video.